So what is tinnitus?
Tinnitus is a one type of in ear sound is coming. It's called tinnitus. It might be many type of tinnitus. So we have to first identify which type of tinnitus. So I visit many doctors. To identify why it happened. So in allopathic, they never give me a clear treatment. I taken many type of medicine to cure myself. Just they are guessing this, that. I asked many times why sound is coming in my ear. There is any solution or no? They say that it might be start someone from sound or they are not clear. They are not clear that why it happened.
What problem do you face when you are going through the tinnitus phases?
My pressure increase. I cannot sleep in the night time. My pressure go very high because when I take sleeping pills, it automatically increase this pressure, and my sleep is not well also. So I become very frustrated.
How tinnitus disturbed you?
It making when in daytime it might be low, but in night time it increase very high. So when I'm going to sleep, that time only it become very loud voice.
Disturbing sounds.
Disturbing sound.
How many doctors have you visited?
Near about 4 to 5 doctors.
Have they given you solution?
No. I never got that solution. Then one of my friend, he took this type of machine. It's called tinnitus relief. Tinnitus relief machine. And I asked about him that where I get, from where I can purchase this type of machine. Then I asked him, did you get relief? He also said, yeah, I'm getting relief. Now I can sleep. Little bit I can sleep. I get relief also. And then I decided to purchase DrSpectra Wellness. From that company only I purchased. And after taking this machine, I also got very much relief. Not cure. I'm not telling you from this machine it will be cure. But I started getting relief. Then again I went Ayurveda doctor. He said that it's called baad or aaya. Thand lag jana. Become cold. For cold it's happening. So I started taking medicine from Ayurveda also. From last 3 years. I am now last 1 year. I faced last 3 years. Now last 1 year I am very well. This winter also I am not facing too much of problem. But I never said that it will go 100%. But it will not disturb. Whenever you are very in light mood, it will little bit sound is there. It increases when the cold entered again. It might be entered for 12 hours, 48 hours, but again it cure automatically. Whenever I face travel, I take this therapy and I cure also. I taking my Ayurvedic medicine also together. People, what the problem is that people don't know about tinnitus. There are many regions. There maximum type of tinnitus is 5 types. So people cannot identify for what region it happening. First they have to search why it happening. Then only they start treatment. But this machine, when you start taking therapy, from within 7 days you started getting relief. You can sleep also. You can do your daily activity. You can do easily. You have to take how they guide. You have to take the treatment as they guide.
So you got relief from this tinnitus through this machine.
It helped me a lot. I'm not telling this 100% curable, but it give you 100% relief. That I can assure, because I got from this only. But as soon I'm taking my medicine also for baad dose, and I'm taking care of my health also, not to get cold. Be careful of the cold only, and I'm taking care of the cold. I'm now normal.
For all types of tinnitus, this machine can help to get relaxed. Are you saying that?
Yeah. For any type of tinnitus, it might be muscular, it might be baad, it might be cancer type of this, any type of tinnitus, it helps. It helps to relieve.
Thank you.
Come.